don't know. I'm just trying to distract you by making that dumb face at you. You know, like a face that I'm taking a hot load of.
Hi guys, my name's Andrea and welcome to BarbiePunk. I don't think I'm necessarily an e-girl. It's probably like the closest modern day term to what I am. It's like e-girls versus VSCO girls are the new like preps and punks, or like popular girls and like scene girls. I don't know. This felt appropriate. Anyway, today I'm gonna be doing a from alternative to VSCO transformation. We're just gonna get to it. I don't know. I've been buying all the things. Not all of them are in yet. So I'm just getting this intro out there right now because I had the makeup on. I thought everything was gonna be here today, but it's not. All right, so if you haven't heard of the VSCO Girl, it's the new hot thing. Apparently, according to my teacher friend, I'm old enough to have a teacher friend. According to my teacher friend who teaches high school, they're the new popular kids. It is a thing. It is a big thing, and it's a thing that I don't understand personally myself. It doesn't seem like an aesthetic, it seems like things. So I've bought a shirt and I've ordered some things, and I'm gonna attempt to turn this into a VSCO girl. I've never been popular in my life. I've always been some version of this. I don't know. Everything's so new to me. If you're new here, I'm 30 and I'm just like, excuse me, a what kind of girl? Found all these terms and I was like, yikes. Oh man, I'm so old. Anyway, so today I tried my best to look like an e-girl. What's interesting to me is how intensely the middle part has come back. I'm like so against it because it was so like middle school for me and it brings me back to a weird time. Anyway, let's get to the transformation, shall we? This is my e-girl makeup. I've been doing these like hearts under the eye thing for like years, and apparently it's an e-girl thing, so.
You're welcome, e-girls.
You're welcome, e-girls. So I guess I'm gonna start by wiping off this whole face because VSCO Girl is a dewy, fresh morning goddess that just bathes in the sun and is naturally beautiful, which is something I can't relate to. I just makeup wiped that eyelash off and I forgot that I was wearing eyelashes, so I'll just peel the other one off.
Do you need
how am I?
lessons?
Okay, I'm gonna have problems getting these hearts off of under my eyes. I'm gonna need some. This is gonna take a while to just take the makeup off. Those hearts are not gonna come out from under my eyes. I was already gonna film the rest of this another day, but now even more so I have to. I'm gonna attempt to get this off of my face. If I can't, I'm gonna come back tomorrow. I'm lying to you. I'm coming back tomorrow because I already knew that I wasn't gonna finish this video today. Okay, so I'm gonna just put my hair up real quick. I'm gonna take this off because it's hot. I feel like VSCO Girl makeup is really like, I woke up like this. So I'm actually gonna mix my foundation with some moisturizer because we just want like a really sheer, like natural application, you know? Yeah, so VSCO Girls are the new like, I woke up like this, and then I just kind of threw this outfit on, except that the outfit costs like $300. Especially with all the things that they need. Actually, I'm gonna conceal some spots, trying to give the illusion that we're not wearing makeup. And then I'm not gonna powder everywhere, just like places I don't want to crease, because we're looking for a really dewy finish. For my eyes, I feel like most VSCO girls probably don't do this, but since I have hooded eyes, I like to give myself a little bit of a shadow. So I'm just going in with my bronzer and just kind of putting it in the crease. And since we have our bronzer out, let's just bronze up the whole face. VSCO girls love to be outdoors in the sun. They're really environmentally conscious, which means they like to go on hikes or to the beach and be out in the sun. This kind of like shimmery taupe color just on my finger. I'm just gonna put it on my lid. I feel like that's all they actually do. I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I don't have like the Glossier boy brow, so I'm gonna use a tiny bit of this, not as much as I normally do, just to fill out the ends of my eyebrows. And then I'm gonna fill in the rest with this little like brown brow gel I have from Tarte. I'm gonna just use a little angle brush and some black eyeshadow to just press like right into my lash line. I feel like natural makeup looks take just as long as not natural makeup looks. We're gonna do some glowy blush with a lot of like shimmer in it, just to make us look really sun-kissed and youthful and beautiful. I'm gonna take this little like stick highlighter, just kind of rub it on my finger and put it here. I feel like cream highlighters are better for the VSCO look because it looks like more natural. I'm basically done here. I'm gonna put on some mascara. If you happen to just have like eyelash extensions lying around, go ahead and like pay hundreds of dollars to get those in. But I don't, and I'm also really bad at putting false eyelashes on not like an intense line. Like I need that line, I need it. So I'm just gonna use mascara for now, and then I'm just gonna put some gloss on. Oh, Carmex, dang it. Okay, well, I'll just pretend. And actually I feel like my hair needs to be up higher. I think I'm looking pretty good, but obviously the final step, Mario Badescu. I'm annoyed because I actually really enjoy this. So I'm just gonna spray this all over my face. Okay, so here we have it, the finished look. It's just really natural. What the f? Okay, so that didn't work for some reason, so I'm just gonna move on to clothing and then we'll circle back around to makeup, I guess. Yeah, we're just gonna do accessories first. Puka shell necklace, obviously. Plop that on, and then, so just and then the finishing touches, this shirt that I'm gonna be wearing like a dress except have shorts underneath. Oh god damn it. My things. Ooh, my things. What is happening? Okay, that's just impressive. Happy spooky season, witches. I wanted to do this video on Friday the 13th, but all of my VSCO stuff hadn't gotten here yet, so basically someone actually requested that I do this video, and every time I set out to actually buy VSCO things, I was like, this is so not me, what's going on? I just feel so like out of place, and like it didn't make any sense for who I was as a person. So I wanted to kick off spooky season by giving you a spooky video. If you were excited about seeing me as a VSCO girl, I'll insert some pictures right here. I'm mostly excited for spooky season. So let me know in the comments what kind of Halloween videos you want me to do this year. Basically this video is just a reminder to stay true to yourself. Don't try to fit in with the crowd, with the cool kids. You know, if that's your style, do it. If you're a VSCO girl and you love that shit, go for it. It wasn't me. I know I do a lot of style transformations on this video, but that one didn't feel true to my channel. So I did it, sort of. And that's all. So don't forget to like it, subscribe it, share it, bop it, twist it, pass it, and don't ask questions, just go with it.